Differences between a regular fuse and a resettable fuse for a heating and air conditioning scenario. Question one, what would be the purpose of the fuse to begin with in the heating and air conditioning scenario? Say if you had it on the hot side and you had this heating and air and you had this on the board or wherever you have it, say this fuse, if you look in here, the fuse should be closed if it's a good fuse. Okay, it has like two little spade things on the bottom. Okay, basically, the purpose here is to convey electricity from one side to the other. However, if there's a short, power overload, or whatnot, I'm not certain all the ramifications, but this will trip. Okay, when this trips, the question being, when this trips, what happens next? Very simply, boom, it cuts off. This fuse in here gets separated and the electricity is unable to make it from one side to the other side or vice versa in whichever direction the electricity flows. So now if this flows, if we put another one in and we keep doing it, it continues the same scenario. So what are we doing? We're burning up good fuses and just trying to do guesswork with the diagnoses with the HVAC system. Now, if one looks at these I'm not sure if spade connector is the correct word, but if one looks at this, and this juxtaposed, they look similar. So simply doing what one would do, this replaces this. So if there's a place on the board where this is in or a fuse set up where this is plugged in, simply unplug this, take and plug this in and plug this in to where this little spade area goes here and here. So now when we turn the system on and if it throws it, then we can actually, it will trip the thing and we can push this and reset it. What will this keep us from doing? It will prevent just continuing to burn up good fuses until the problem is located. But the topic of this video is the looks of the bottom here. If one looks at the bottom on this side, and this side, so this would replace this, and this would replace this, and it's that simple when replacing it. So this is a settable versus an unsettable. So now question, this is an intriguing question. Okay, should we just leave the resettable thing in? Question, no, it may be quite pricey. So what happens is once the short is repaired or the problem is repaired, so it quits putting the fuse, so it quits blowing the fuse, at this juncture, once it's repaired, we can turn around and remove this, and put this back because it's not going to blow this fuse. Hopefully the idea once it's repaired. So this is the two juxtaposed, a regular fuse versus a resettable fuse for HVAC scenarios. Thank you for watching. If you find any of these videos helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.